Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To take our window switch out, we have to pop this silvery chrome piece off first. So I'll take our plastic trim tool. You can get these from 1aauto.com. Kind of work it underneath here carefully. And then we're going to pop it straight up. It'll unclip. Put that aside. Now the switch bezel can come up. So again, I'll use the prying tool and start to pry it up. Try over here. Let's pop up. So prying it straight up and out. You can unplug it, pushing in the lock, pulling the connector out. You could probably remove this door panel with the window switch in place. This just makes it easier because you already have it unplugged. You don't have to wrestle with the door panel while you're taking it off to unplug it. So now we have that unplugged and removed. You take your plastic prying tool and just lift up. There's a little rubber pad here. You need to get that out of the way. There's a screw behind there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. Put that aside. I'm going to go behind the door handle. There's a little piece of trim here. Take the plastic prying tool, pop this out. Just unclips. There's another Phillips head screw behind there. Remove that. Those two screws removed, the door panel is now just clipped in place. You need to use our plastic prying tool to just get under the edge here. That one's too thick. Start with the thinner one. Get the thicker one in here so I can pry it. Kind of find near where a clip is. There's a clip there. Usually in here with quite a bit of force, so once you start to pry it, you'll pop the clips out. Usually you can get a hand under here. Give it a good strong tug. And it clips around the top of the sheet metal, so you'll lift it up and then off. Now the Bowden cables, you can actually pop the whole door handle out of the trim. Just kind of grab onto it, just pop it out of the clips, and we'll slide it out of place. Let that hang. Then you put your door panel aside. If the clips stayed in the door panel, pop those out and they can be reused. Just like that. You can put them right back into your door panel and they can be reused. Slide the interior door handle into the door panel. It will kind of click into place. Now the lip of this door panel hangs over the sheet metal lip. So get it started. Doesn't matter if the window's up or down. Go into place and then it will hang down like that. It should be just, make sure that your connector for the window switch is not going to get pinned back there so you can get to it. And now we're going to push this back into the door panel. So it's pushing the trim panel back into the sheet metal door panel, and all the clips will snap back into place, and that's locked in place. We'll reinstall the self-tapping screw here. If you feel like it's tight, you just stop. Reinstall the trim piece. So let's get some clips. Open up the door handle. It's going to slide in place and just click in and lock. Reinstall the self-tapping screw in the bottom of this door pull. So get them lined up in the hole and screw it in. There's a rubber pad that goes over it. Reinstall the window switch, plug it back in, it will click when it locks. And then we're going to just push it straight down into the openings. It'll snap into place. Reinstall the silver door trim, all the tabs, it basically goes straight down. Snap into place, and it's reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.